Hi, my name's Louise Bulow. I'm one of our consultant psychologists here at PCL. I just wanted to take a minute or so of your time to let you know what you would be learning if you came on one of our Hogan certification workshops. So over the 2 days, it's very action-packed, lots to get through, lots of scales, lots of subscales, but we try and make this as interactive as possible by doing lots of different activities, group discussions, and case studies. So on day one, we start by going through the Hogan personality inventory, the bright side measure of personality, you at your best. So how other people might describe you. Here we'll cover all the scales, all the subscales, as well as doing a lot of interactive group work and putting it to context to really make sure you start to understand how you can make this work within your organisation. Then in the afternoon, we move on to the Hogan Development Survey. So this is the dark side measure of personality, Hogan's shining star, where we can start to look at the derailers of our interpersonal behaviour. So how we might overuse our strengths to so much excess that they then become problematic, that they then become counterproductive. And with this, we will again be doing lots of case studies, lots of group discussions, as well as watching some really fun Hogan videos. Then on day 2, we move on to the final piece to the puzzle, which is the motives, values, preferences inventory, which is that personality from the inside. So what we're striving to attain, what we want to get out of our work environment, what really gets us out of bed in the morning. So again, we'll be covering all the scales and subscales here. Before then in the afternoon, being able to put everything together and to cover all 3 tools, see them in action, see how powerful they are when we start to combine them. With this said, we can then start to look at how we would interpret a report and give feedback on a report. So this is where you'll get the opportunity to see the tools in action, to give a feedback to someone else on the course. It's just there for you to be able to start to practice before you then have everything you need in your Hogan toolkit to go and start purchasing, interpreting, and then giving feedback on the different Hogan reports. And also, if this kind of isn't enough and you want a bit more, during our Hogan Advanced Weeks, we offer advanced courses in both the interpretation side of the reports and the advanced feedback. So if after that second day afternoon you feel like you want a little extra help with your feedback practice, you can definitely get in touch with us to see if you'd want to book on one of those advanced courses.